Are you looking to move to the south? Well, you might like this property right behind me. This is located inside Pramana Residential Estates, easily accessible through the South Luzon Expressway. Malapit din po siya to New Valley and Tagaytay. Also, just a few minutes or around 45 minutes to 50 minutes drive going to Makati and BGC. And you will really like this property because this is a modern, smart home property wherein you can control the lights and also your property through the Wi-Fi. Kahit malayo ka, pwede din siya makontrol. This property sits in a lot area of 161 square meters with a floor area of 194 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms, 4 toilet and bath, a maid room with its own toilet and bath. You have a spacious living and dining area. You have a kitchen that has cabinets and also quartz countertop, a ground floor bedroom with a secret garden and its own toilet and bath. You have the space for your landscape garden, a carport that can fit 2 cars, provision for CCTV and solar power and generator. Ano pa kaya hahanapin mo dito? Kaya po, if you want to see this property after or to be presented before this property goes on a price increase because ginagawa pa lang siya, you can contact us with the contact information posted on the screen or it's on the description or nandiyan lang yan sa comment section natin.